Next, let's learn how to create a backdrop. Now to create a backdrop, we again have to click on this choose a backdrop button and then select the paint option over here. When I click on paint option, see a blank screen comes again. So over here, suppose I want to create a backdrop of beach. So I can select a color like this. Okay, now let's draw a straight line. And then I can fill the color over here. I can fill it like this, and then I can fill the top in blue color. Okay, for that I'll first have to add a border. Okay, suppose I'm adding a border over here. And now I fill it using this. Suppose I want to draw a small tree. I can draw a tree also. Okay, let's draw. Okay, suppose I have drawn some coconut leaves. Suppose I want to add some coconuts now. Okay, here we go. We can just move this sprite somewhere over here. And see, we are done with the backdrop. If we come back, this looks something like this. So this is how you can create a backdrop. You can also upload a backdrop from Google. So for that, you can click on this upload backdrop option.